So I have some new software that I want to test out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is some software that I've never ever had my hands on. Beforehand, the software is called Digital, and here is the documentation of everything. So it's made by a dude who is fucking clever. Like, he goes in this repo here, he goes into detail on why he did it. Down here, motivation. Pretty much saying that he has used Logisim for learning and all that circuitry, but it was discontinued. Oh, yeah, not used that much, and the alternative wasn't that great either. Just was there to fix some bugs and shit. So that's why he has made Digital. So this is Digital. We have a .jar and a .exe. I'm gonna run the .exe for now. Holy shit, this actually looks like... Okay, so we have a tutorial here. In the following short tutorial, leads you through the first step, through the first simple circuit. First, insert an I/O, an input into the circuit. Okay. So under components, I/O, and then we have an input or an output. Oh, there's even those tooltips. Holy shit. Holy shit. Probes and shit. Yes. Let's do an input. Now add a second input. In the toolbar. Actually, I'm really quickly gonna... So, yeah, I think you can get the reasons. Oh, yes, this is more space. Yes. Next, an exclusive OR. That's under here, logic and XOR. And an output. Press start on the simulation. Holy shit. For completeness, the input and output should be labeled. Okay, okay. Oh, holy shit. You can select the bit size, you can do that, you can add a description. What about rotation? Okay. Number format, pin number. A whole bunch of all this shit. I am recording, yeah. So we can say this is called output A. No way. So if we say input and dash A, it gets lowercase. Okay. I am absolutely fucking... Holy shit. Oh shit, okay. Holy shit, you can make lines like that. Holy shit. Sadly, there is not a. You can't do, for example, Control K. Okay, so if I need to do some criticism first of all, there's no shortcut for starting the simulation. Ready? You will have to go up here and then do it yourself, which isn't the biggest deal, but save some time. Or for example, digital Logisim, where I have this GPU here, where I can just simply say Control K and then it runs. That's one thing that I would like. One other thing maybe. I need to look it up maybe. Let's see. Holy shit. I absolutely love design here. You also stated that you have yourself. Yeah, right there you have power. You have an reset, a break, a stop, and an asynchronous timing. All great. Some switches. Good. Arithmetic, an adder, subtractor, multiplicator, a multiplier, division, barrel shifter, comparator, negative sign, and bit counter. All great. You have RAM and EEPROM. EEPROM. All great. You have ROM double counters, you have counter, double ports, you have counters, random number generators, and all that. And some other things. Here you have there you have constant value, you have power supply, and you have pretty much everything that digital Logisim also have. Lookup table, let me see. What do you have on the displays? You have yourself an LED, an RGB LED. You have yourself an LED with two connectors, a button with LEDs, a 7-segment display, and 7-segment hex display, and a 16 hex display. You have a light bulb and an LED matrix. Holy shit. That's some things. You have also motors. Of course, almighty fucking VGA monitor and terminal. Let's really quickly look at terminal. So here we have. So by default, the terminal has a 50 by 25 lines. And I think if we start it. Yeah, okay. Nothing connected to the D. Okay, that's actually great error handling. Better than Logisim. Yeah, better than Logisim Evolved at least also. And now if we look at the VGA monitor, we can see we need a clock, a B value, which is the vertical synchronization signal, and also a H value, which is the horizontal synchronous value, and all that. So let us. I don't really like the selection. Like, that's maybe one thing that could be done. Because you actually have to move over and then drag it, and to make a line you'll have to do that, which okay, like it's yeah, like now I don't want to bash this guy too hard because it is a project that he has been working on. I don't really like the drag and drop thing. At least it's better than some other things. I don't really like, yeah, I've already said that before, but yeah. Okay, so right there, and then I would love to if you could select multiple. I actually really like that it gets pasted on, pasted at your cursor and not anywhere else. Now, where do you have the clock? Now, as I said before, I don't know the clock speed here, but I will hope. I'll hope for it. Speed test. For reference, okay, how much was that? 8,000 fucking kilohertz. For reference, Logisim Evolved can go up to 2,000 only kilohertz. That is shit. That's actually a lot. Oh. Okay, then maybe. But like, where's the screen? Oh, smart. But yeah, where? That's just where I was. Where is the screen? And can you go into simulation? Can I? We can stop it. Funny enough. I'm pretty quick gonna read on it. We have a delay? Wait, I need to look at that. 2 seconds. So in wiring, why is there a delay? How long of delay? My prayers have been heard. You don't know how long I've been like wanting fucking delay. You guys can't see me. But yeah, you don't know how long I want to have fucking delay in Logisim Evolution. So to see that there is a delay. Holy shit. And we can do that. Right, yeah, good morning. I need to read it. Endless is incoming. Okay, so we wanna go and check on the VGA monitor. Endless, the incoming video signal and displays the, but not run real time. Pixel clock requires an additional video signal and a MIDI. Like I still can't wrap my head around that there is actually fucking a MIDI thing here. But yeah, let's try out the terminal. Maybe. Yeah, now. Which was on IO. Displays. There, terminals. Oh my gosh. I'm always used to like just being able to drag out from like this will get we'll have to be getting some used to, but like now's the delay. So I don't think that like if I do no data test found, okay, that's actually kind of good that it says that. Like it's a little bit sad. Like what does they have? Oh, so there's so this this whole thing here, it's built in here. Oh, what about the ROM? What about the ROM? Which that will be an EEPROM. Can you then just... Oh, that's actually great. If say an 8 by... It can go up to 24 bits. Always great. We want to be in hex. And... Oh, fucking gosh. Yes. Oh, yes. Sorry, but yeah. And here you can then do, for example, like AA, FF 55, and click OK, and then do that, and then do that, and then there's AA, FF 55. Yes. Okay. Oh, fucking gosh. A test case, yeah. Um, yeah. So now, okay, I want to now do some criticism. Like I'm not even doing that in the whole entire video. One of them first, and this will be minor, really minor in my criticisms. There's no shortcut for starting the simulation. And this might sound petty, but I want a fucking shortcut for starting the simulation. And again, this might sound, again, that is petty, but like, it will save time. Like, here in Evolution, again, as I said before, press one button and you can do it. One thing that I like, though, is that you can go on the simulation and then say speed test. And then it will give you a speed. And for the most part, it's double as high as evolution. Yeah, double. This clock here, this is running at around 2000 kilohertz. Shit. This clock here runs at 6000. And this is with me recording and all apps in the background, including that. So that's absolutely great. Another thing that I also want to a little bit complain about, I don't know if you actually can do that. You can actually do that. Great. I want to take that back. That was this whole thing here. Like being able to like just do it from here. Oh, now I don't know when you finally start the simulation if you can make a single timed clock or if it needs to be automatically all the time. But if there's a way to make it single, like where you need to do a manual input every single time, that's great. I want that. But I also kind of want a way to just do it automatically. Just press button, boom, going full speed ahead, taking 100% of your CPU or something like that. That's also a thing that I also kind of want. Else, all in all, this feels good. The documentation feels great. I love that you have made a small description here about what it does, the inputs, and then the attributes. I absolutely love it. And one thing that you also have is this, just a small tutorial. Like for example, this is the way most of the basic circuits are, OLED. So like that and that. You can see a table of what it is. You can combine different things. All that. There's half adders, so you don't have to make those anymore. No. No way. No fucking way. So where was the test? Just here. Test case. We can... What? What you saying? What? He has made a whole fucking... He's going into fucking delays and all that. Hardware. Custom shapes. General circuits. How do you move wire? With control mouse button. Lead wire delete. Oh, click on trash can. Oh, that trash. Oh, I haven't even seen that. Including wire. Selecting the component with the rectangular section. Okay. Going into a lot of things. Oh, there is 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, there is a way to do it, but like space won't be the first thing that you're gonna see. Like coming from one who is from Logisim, I always have done Control K or Control T just to tick through it. Run to break, execute cases, a single clock step. Yeah, instead of C there, it could be nice. Like now I'm gonna do an and here. And then wire it there, and there, and there, and take the output there. Again, Control K. I just press Control K. But yeah, now you've got this, and again, okay, yeah, there's a way to actually step through it, which is actually kind of great. Now, is there a way to insert a new tunnel? Inserted the component again. New circuit, open circuit, save circuit. While drawing. Wait, what? So if we do space and you can do diagonal. You can build out a PCP with this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm actually absolutely fucking blown out of my mind over this. You can do diagonals. You can fucking do diagonals. Holy shit. What about F? Oh, and it also even has that. Yes. Why doesn't it? Oh, that's because of split a single line wire into two. The thing that it works. Okay. Okay. Good morning. No, you need to have something selected. Oh, that's probably because of an anchor. In reality. So now you can say showing a height tree. Yo, fucking gosh. The settings, color scheme, use equals key libraries. Port numbers? No way. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. The only criticism that I really have on now, and of course, like some minor ones, but I haven't checked this one out fully, of course. But at least one of the criticisms that I have right now, that is actually being able to change the fucking keybinds without going into the source code. Of course, I don't know how hard that is, but I will imagine it's pretty hard. And another thing maybe is to just also let the clock run wild. Like fuck thinking about like anything about CPU intensity, heat, or anything. Just like make a way. So like just simply say, yeah, we are pressing the button and run wild. Like that's one thing that I really would like. And again, I don't know. Yeah, that one I want. Show number of that was one. Wire tooltips. Use equals key to insert. Okay. So format. Okay, I don't care about that. Port number. Okay, so I am still in shock. Like, wasn't there a way to like make a new circuit? A new circuit, Control N. Okay, so one final criticism, I think. Like now, of course, again, I cannot say if this is real or not. But in my experience, at least, right now, at least, by just looking at it and looking briefly over documentation, there is no like sub-circuits. So let me explain. Here in Digital Logisim, you can have yourself a sub-circuit. For example, this is my main circuit, and this is a sub-circuit called GPU. Now, again, it will be hard to implement all that. Of course, but it will save so fucking much headaches for so many people. Now, of course, I know it's the personal project and all that. I can't remember what it's called. This dude's project, and I don't have anything to talk about it and what he should say, what he should do and what he shouldn't do. I'm just here giving out the ideas pretty much. But else, anything else that I have to say? No, actually no. This here is a great, at least on the surface. I will have to dig a little bit more deeper into it to see what the limits are. I will maybe actually do that on stream today, maybe. But yeah, go ahead and dig deep into what all this is. And all this. So yeah, I don't actually have any other things to say about it. Other than this is a great product. It has some good intentions. It has some things that I would never think that Logisim would ever have. One of those being, of course, delays. As boring as that sounds, but literally, Logisim doesn't have delays because shit. But because like, how would you when the clock speed can be changed? But here you have the clock speed right in your hand, and you can do something out of that. So, as I said before, you, dear friend, I cannot pronounce your name. I'm sorry, but yeah. To you who have made this, if you're gonna watch this, I'm probably gonna email you, and I think that's a final verdict about this. Let me just tell you, this is a program that I will probably use, if I do remember to use it. I'll probably also make a CPU in here, just to test out the constraints of it. To see if I actually can build something out of it. Now you have said yourself that there is no real way to make pixels. But at least make the terminal show text. Again, sounds petty, but yeah. It sounds small, and it is also small, but just having a terminal like this, not really that good. Like, you can write ASCII characters to the terminal opens its own window. Wait, what? Does it? 2 seconds, now I need to test something. Give me a minute, real quick. It's because I've just not used it properly. Okay, so if we do space, and we say enable, nothing yet. It's actually maybe because that this one is not. Because it's ASCII, not like ASCII is actually technically 8 bits. Number formatting, I want hex. Now so now if we enable it, okay, I'll take that one back. Didn't test thoroughly. I'm sorry. Is that the same with the fucking VGA monitor? If we pull down this one, now RGB, let's check what the hell he says here about the RGB monitor here. Right, we don't even need to check this. I'm so fucking stupid, we can just check it here. So right here, analyzes the incoming video signals and displays those ones. Since the simulation cannot run real time, the pixel clock is required in addition to the video signals. Yes. Okay, so now, also one other thing that maybe could be really great, and again, sounds small, but it's certainly not. Make a bit size. Make a bit length on each pin, if possible, of course, only. Because, like, it is going to be hard to try to like guess your way to like the answer. So if we have a full write down and write down. HM vsync. I don't know how any of this works. It's maybe because we need to like do something with these ones here. All of these 8 bits and all will be zero out. Yeah, zero output. A small shape. Okay. First error. You can be 1 bit. And yeah, the probably the same here. So if we do these two, and let's do 255 here. Okay, so let me see. It's because I need maybe a video memory. No, I don't think that. I don't think it's because of video memory. VGA monitor. It just simply says that analyze the incoming signals. I may actually try to like check out what a VGA, CGA, VGA, what a VGA monitor needs. And now we can state specs maybe. Video graphics array. Right here. Now I know a VGA monitor is analog. A VGA monitor is not analog. Wait, this one worked at first time when we just set enable and not had 0. Let's do, oh, what is that one? There was number formatting ASCII. Okay, you can also do ASCII, great. Let's do an A. It didn't change. Nope. Okay, that's fine. A down. And now if we do this, we got ourselves an A. What about then maybe a B? Alright, Gucci. So you can do this. And also you can change that one. But a pixel size could be great. For example, like stating here on, like, for example, red color components, say from 0 or from 0 to 255 or something else entirely. But not really, because that it's like that detrimental. Now the keyboard. There's something that I've been thinking a little bit about. So a keyboard that can be used to enter text. This component buffer. It buffers the input, which can be read out. A separate window will be opened for the text window. Okay. Clock. A rising edge removes the oldest character from the buffer. If high, the output D is activated, and one character is outputted, and it also enables the clock input. Outputs a 16-bit Java character value. Okay, so we are dealing with U16. Okay, so let's try something. Again, I'm still doing it the fucking old way. Now, how did we do that? We did that by doing S. No, not S. C. I cannot remember. Now, enable. I think I wanna do that. Actually, no, let's make we'll do it like this. Alright, space, enter text. There. Then we can ACC. Okay. Then we can clock it and get a weird character out of that. ACC. And then null characters for the rest. So what if we buffer hello world here? Wasn't it C? But like that was on yeah. Oh, is that because that there's two? It's probably because that there's two. Okay, hello world, right there. Okay, yeah, okay. I'll actually take it back a little bit, just a tad bit, and say that this is actually quite good for how it is. Like, the thing is, can you do character turn? Do an enter. And then we do a tests. We didn't do that. We can do character turns. Okay. First of all, 10 out of 10 on that. Keyboard's great. What the heck is this? This is you. No. Wait. 10 out of 10 on that. Character turns. Great. Terminal, great. I don't actually have that much other than to say that this is a fucking great product. I've already said that before. I'm repeating myself again. But yeah, I said before, fucking great product. I will use it in my your stream. And again, I will send you an email to the person who have made this. See you all at some point on the stream. Goodbye. And stay fucking curious.